Hello and welcome to our last Tax Tip Tuesday. Last week, we learned about the process for filing an amended return, as well as information that may help you in deciding if an amended return is necessary. Today, we are going to look at filing an extension, specifically knowing when to file an extension and locating necessary forms and documents to complete this process. So, let's get started. Begin by accessing the IRS homepage by typing www.irs.gov in the web address field of your preferred browser. Next, click File, Individuals, When to File, and Extension of Time to File. Let's define what an extension means. Every year, the IRS establishes a filing deadline. Please be aware that your filing status may have a different deadline. For 2024, the majority of tax filers will have a deadline of April 15, 2024. If by that time you are either unable to or have not filed, your next option is to file an extension, thus granting you extra time to complete the filing process. For further clarification, it is recommended you take some time to review the top portion of this article. A common extension form, Form 4868, is appropriate for individual filers. Let's take a look at the form's instructions to learn more. There are three ways to request an automatic extension of time to file a U.S. individual income tax return. The first being, you can pay all or part of your estimated income tax due and indicate that the payment is for an extension using your bank account, a digital wallet, cash, or credit or debit card. See how to make a payment and go to www.irs.gov/payments for more information. The second being, you can file a Form 4868 electronically by accessing IRS eFile using your tax software or by using a tax professional who uses eFile. And lastly, you can file a paper Form 4868 and enclose payment of your estimate of tax due. Lastly, under the When to File column, we see that the IRS has established April 15, 2024 as the extension deadline. However, it is encouraged that you read through the remainder of this column as your filing status may have a different deadline. As for the amount of extended time, the IRS offers an additional 6 months or until October 15, 2024. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope that you learned something that will boost your confidence this tax season. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next year.